welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back and thanks for stopping back. If you're new, I hope you find it interesting enough to subscribe and hit the notification button and like and comment and share. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and thank you so much for your support. So today's video is a special one. Today is a special okay, enough of it. Today's video is a special one because today is my first ever collaboration video. Oh yeah, baby, make me Yes guys, today is my first collaboration video and I'm gonna be collaborating with the fabulous TamKam here on YouTube. She's a natural hair YouTuber as well. She does natural hair videos, beauty videos, fashion videos, and she talks about her greatest passion, which is nursing. She is a nurse. She talks about anything you need to know about nursing school, you know, being a nurse and all the tea about nurse. She's got you. She is got you, and she shares a lot about, you know, what you need to know about being a nurse. So I'm gonna leave the link to her channel in the description box below so that you guys can check her out and support her as well. So on today's video, we decided to do her deep conditioning treatment video. So you guys know I'm a lover for deep conditioning treatment because yeah, this hair has to be babied, has to be nurtured, has to, you know, be loved, and everything we have to do to make her grow, you know, we're here for it. So we decided to do a deep conditioning video. So she's gonna be doing a deep conditioning video for her hair on our channel, and I'm gonna be doing my deep conditioning video for my hair on my channel. But the thing is, this is not your regular deep conditioning video. This is not your regular deep conditioning mask. Like, this is a different level type of mask. This is a different, you know, chat. Wait. So I've been doing some research, right? Because you guys know, okay, you know I'm on a hair growth journey, right? And I'm doing anything to grow my hair. So I've been doing some research. I've been, you know, researching and learning stuff about how to grow natural hair. And I came across well, it's been around for a while. Like, it sounds like, you know, oh, it's so new. Like, I came across, no, it's been around for ages, and I'm not the one, like, you know, no. So yeah, I came across it now. I mean, I have come across it before, but I never really give any thought to it. But now that I'm like on an active hair growth journey, I'm seriously searching for stuff to grow my hair. So I decided to give it a try and give it, you know, a look. So I eventually did. So I am talking about the Ayurvedic hair care regimen, Ayurvedic hair care treatment, however you want to call it. You guys may already know what Ayurvedic hair care is. Basically, we're talking about an Indian herbs or medicine, if you will, for, you know, the body, the hair, the skin, everything. Like Ayurveda is like a vast medicine, like herbal medicine treatment for just your overall health. And I am gonna be concentrating on the hair, you know, part of it. So let's get right into the video, and I'll show you how I mix everything together. So guys, this is the mixture I'm gonna be using today. It says Herba Henna hair conditioning treatment, Ayurveda leaf, 100% natural with 9 Himalayan herbs. Normally people buy these herbs separately, and then they mix them according to their preference and whatever they want for their hair. I think this is the perfect mixture. In here you have everything, and the only thing I would add personally would be henna, like proper henna, like henna, because in here there's no henna. That's the only thing I would add. Other than that, I think it's a perfect, like, you know, combination. Behind it, we have the 9 Himalayan herbs, amongst which are Brahmi, which says to rejuvenate and nourish the hair. We have Hamla, which provides antioxidants and nourishes the hair. We have Shikaikai, which cleanses and leaves the hair silky. We have Jatamasi, which nourishes and promotes hair growth. We have Tulsi, which hydrates and nourishes the hair. We have aloe vera powder in there as well, which balances and protects the hair. We have Bringraj, which revitalizes and promotes hair growth. We have neem powder in there as well, which is known for its antibacterial properties. And last but not least, we have hibiscus, which nourishes and conditions the hair. So guys, the instruction says to leave the herba in a mix in water for 2 to 3 hours. And I opted for aloe vera juice because these herbs can be really strengthening for your hair, but they are also protein treatment. So you're basically doing a protein treatment to your hair, which can really be drying to your hair, especially fussy hair. So you want to incorporate any moisturizing ingredients you may have. So be it aloe vera juice or coconut milk, or even your proper conditioner. So you want to incorporate some type of moisturizing ingredient out in there. I also went ahead to add some coconut oil. As you can see, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, as well as 2 tablespoons of olive oil as well, and sweet almond oil. And you just want to mix that until you get like a smooth paste. And the instruction says to leave it for 2 to 3 hours, but I decided to leave mine overnight. Like, I just mix it and left it there overnight. I mean, the more you leave it, the better, you know. Probably not more than 24 hours, but yeah, the more you leave it, the better. So I just cover mine and left it there to, you know, release all that goodness from the herbs. So the next morning, as you can see, the color changed. Like, you can see it has activated. It has like whatever went on there, I don't even know what happened. It just went from green to this beautiful brown chocolate color, which I think is just amazing. So this is the consistency I ended up with, which I think was perfect. And I went ahead and transferred mine into a plastic bag for an easy application, as you can see here. And guys, let me tell you something. This thing can be really, really, really messy. So you want to make sure you wear something you don't really care about, and make sure you just be careful not to stain anything, because it literally stains everything it comes in contact with. And look at that. Oh goodness Lord, that was a mess. But yeah guys, something else I want to tell you guys here. When I was doing my research, I read somewhere, or someone said something about wearing gloves, why, you know, applying this into your hair. And I remember putting that in my head. I was like, Deb, I remember to wear gloves. Deb, I remember to wear gloves. And when the time, you know, came, that just went out the window. I just forgot, and I just went in with my hands. And please guys, don't be like me. Make sure you wear your gloves. I mean, it does come off eventually. It took me 2 to 3 days for it to come off, but yeah, you want to make sure you wear your gloves, because that's not a pretty look, you know. Guys, can we talk about my coils though? Can we talk about my like, come on now. Damn, my coils were popping, guys. Like, my hair loved this thing. I love it. I'm definitely gonna be doing this like once a month, you know, because this was really good for my hair. My hair was soft. It was just shining and just popping, and it was just living its best life, man. Like, definitely its best life so far. Like, I'm definitely gonna incorporate this into my hair care regimen, and yeah, hopefully I see results just as Curly Proverbs, because girl, we need to grow some hair, man. We need to grow some hair. So I went ahead and put on a plastic bag, and the instructions again says to leave it in your hair for 3 to 4 hours. But I was busy. I had stuff to do, so I just left it on for like 6 to 7 hours or so. So I just left it there. Just, you know, just forgot it. I didn't forget it. I just left it there, you know, until I had the time to wash it off. So yeah, so afterwards, I went in with my moisturizing deep conditioner, because I told you guys before, you want to follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner. And the key word here is moisturizing, because you just put on a protein treatment on your hair, like a very strong protein treatment. So you want to go ahead and follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner, because you want to make sure you know, have a protein and moisture balance in your hair, because yeah, you don't want to dry your hair out. And I'm just gonna go on and leave that in for an hour or so, and then eventually wash it off. Guys, look at my hair. Look at, wow, look at that bounce. Look at the bounce in my hair. Look at the shine. My hair is popping, guys. Like, she is definitely living her best life, like, definitely. And my hair love this stuff. I love it. I'm definitely going to incorporate this into my hair care regimen. This is going to be like a, you know, every month appointment. Like, I'm going to be doing this every month. And yeah guys, let me know if you've tried henna or you know the Ayurvedic hair care treatment before and how it's doing for you, if you like it, if you don't. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Besos. Mwah.